Step into the future of skincare with Orafra S and unlock a youthful radiance like never before. Illuminate your skin with 1 MHz surface revitalization. See the instant brightening and smoothing effects on your skin. Dive deep with 3 MHz collagen stimulation. Experience the boost in skin elasticity and firmness. Achieve a professional-grade lift at home with 10 MHz subcutaneous lifting. Redefine your facial contours. Experience a multi-layer approach to aging. Our non-invasive, customizable treatments deliver visible results without the need for downtime.
I've tried numerous anti-aging treatments, but nothing compares to the 3F Layer Lift technology. My skin feels firmer and looks more radiant than ever.
The customizable frequency settings allow me to target specific areas and concerns. It's like having a professional spa treatment at home.
Rediscover your youthful glow with the power of 3F Layer Lift technology. Embrace a new era of advanced skincare and let your skin shine with health and vitality. Learn more about 3F Layer Lift technology today.
Show the components to be installed. Insert the caster into the base. Attach the pole to the base. Mount the main machine onto the pole and twist it until secure. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the handle holder. Install the face handle. Install the body handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding holder in turn. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Body handpiece. Parameter settings. Choose manual on the screen, and then select body. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended frequency, 1 MHz plus 3 MHz. Recommended 1 MHz pulse, 6. Recommended 1 MHz energy level, 3. Recommended 3 MHz pulse, 6. Recommended 3 MHz energy level, 3. Tap the start button to begin. Tap the pause button to stop. Face handpiece. Parameter settings. Choose manual on the screen, and then select face. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended frequency, 3 MHz plus 10 MHz. Recommended 3 MHz pulse, 5. Recommended 3 MHz energy level, 3. Recommended 10 MHz pulse, 5. Recommended 10 MHz energy level, 3. Tap the start button to begin. Tap the pause button to stop. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.